Okay, everyone, yesterday was the unboxing of the Maingear Vybe, and now I'm going to turn it on for the first time. When you turn the power supply on, there should be some lights that come on. And to turn on the machine, press the power button right here. The logo lights up. The interior is lit up in red. It is extremely quiet. I don't know if you can hear it, but it is really, really quiet. Got the fan up north, fan in the back, and what you can't see are two fans there, and a big old radiator for the water cooling. Video card. Has a big old fan right underneath there too. What is really neat is in this package, in this configuration, I have the ability to change the lighting. I can turn it to green. I can turn it to blue or just white. And I can turn it to different intensities, different colors, different shades, and then make it fade and randomly change colors. In any case, looks like it turned on nicely. I will hook it up to a monitor and see how it works. If you like seeing this kind of video, hit the subscribe button below and click like if you so desire. Thanks.